Hello Sir Joel, good evening. Congratulations dito sa renewal nyo with Phil Asiatico. So, bigyan mo kami ng idea ano bang meron dito sa partnership mo with Phil Asiatico.
Okay, Phil Asiatico is a company, she's based in Taiwan. The owner's name is Mafi. We've been partners 10 years ago, so this is our 10th year ni Mafi. And one thing with Mafi kasi, she's very hardworking, aggressive. No? 10 years ago, parang medyo mas mali pa yung business na dinidistribute sa Taiwan. But now, ang laki na ng distribution niya sa Taiwan ngayon. No? Yeah, she's our #1 distributor in Taiwan. Yun, dinadala niya mga products ng aficionado sa Taiwan. And good thing there's a lot of Filipinos working in Taiwan. No? So, may market siya. Not just the Filipinos, but also the locals.
Question lang Sir Joel, may specific ano ba kayo product na specific lang sa Taiwan kayo dinidistribute?
Mostly, binibigay namin yung mga top selling namin mga perfume. Kasi mga OFWs naman din mostly na sa Taiwan. Usually, dinadala nila yung perfume. That's why we're looking for distributors because yung mga OFWs based sa isang country like Taiwan, hindi nila kailangan din magpadala or pag-uubis sila bibili. Right there in Taiwan, meron ng store sila Shopco. No? So, mabibili nila aficionado doon. Hindi na kailangan magpabili pa, umuwi na Pilipinas. Nandun na siya sa Taiwan.
Curious lang ako Sir Joel, being a Filipino entrepreneur, anong feeling na going abroad din yung mga products na
way back, I've been in the business for the past 25 years sa aficionado. However, lalapit ako ng konti para lang marinig natin. Nung pagka-graduate ko ng college na sa UST, when I traveled like in Hong Kong, nakita ko na yung San Miguel Beer doon. And I was so proud to see a Philippine-made product like San Miguel Beer. Nung nakita ko siya, hinawakan ko. Nung nakita ko sa likod na made in the Philippines, I was so proud na I'm a Filipino and there's a Filipino product na nakita ko sa Hong Kong, yung San Miguel Beer. So it's like I was get inspired with that. Sana there's a lot more Philippine-made products na ma-distribute worldwide. So when I did my business in 2000, yun din ang dream ko. Sa humble beginning year 2000, talagang dream ko na rin na maging international. So the feeling is so, I can explain the feeling because napakasarap talaga ng pakiramdam na nadadala mo ang Philippine-made product na proud ka, na tinatangkilik hindi lang ng mga Filipinos abroad, even the locals or the foreigners abroad, tinatangkilik ito.
With this renewal with Phil Asiatico, meron ba kayong mga bagong with your partnership?
Well, we're very aggressive now sa aming international sales kasi in the Philippines, officially is quite saturated dahil lahat ng malls naman nandun na kami, not just the shopping malls, even the mga groceries or 7-Eleven, Mercury Drugstore, DGP, no? Mercury Drugstore, no? Mga supermarkets, no? Nandun na din ang aficionado. So now, since ang laking tulong kasi ng mga OFWs, pag nakikita kami abroad, papakita niya talaga sa akin from his bag or from her bag. So Joel, dala-dala niya ang aficionado. And pag nagdala sila ng aficionado abroad, they brought not just one, but dozens. No, minsan 6 dozens kasi nga matagal sila doon. And syempre, mabibili nila ng mura. Mas mura kasi mabibili sa Pilipinas kaysa sa abroad. So, we're looking for mga partners all over the world, no? Na may maraming Filipinos, basically. But now, ang kagandahan sa aficionado, hindi lang Filipinos ang bumibili. Even yung one time nasa cruise kami, sabi ng mga Filipinos, so alam mo ba, nung naamay ako ng boss kong Indian, nagpabili na sa kanya. Ang binili ng Indian sa kanyang boxes naman. So, yun yung kagandahan sa aficionado na Philippine-made products na talagang it's a worldwide na. And ang company kasi natin may ISO certified. So, we follow the international standards. Kaya pasok yung mga products natin all over the world, kumbaga. Ayun. So, we're looking for partners din worldwide, no? Sana maging partner namin kayo, saan bang kayo palig ng mundo, as long as maraming Filipinos, kasi we really start with Filipinos. Yung Filipinos ang nag-i-introduce, tumutulong sa amin about the products. O napakilala nila to abroad, sinasabi na rin ng mga ibang internationals na, uy, mabango nga. And the international people, they also patronize them.
And also, Aficionado is celebrating its 25th year.
Yes, we're celebrating our 25th year, this 2025, this year, because we started 2000. And ngayon meron kaming raffle promo. Ang title is Bagong Milyones, because we're giving away prizes worth 25 million pesos. We just had our first raffle draw, no, sa Showtime. We're having our second raffle draw on June 6th and last raffle draw, the third, on September 6th. So please keep on joining. Kukunin na nila yung sticker ng Aficionado, lalagay nila sa white envelope, lagay yung full name, complete address, phone number, and signature. Lahat ng Aficionado stores, may mga drop boxes. Ayun. So, right now, nakakatuwa. Na-meet ko na yung first winners ng first raffle draw. And nanalo ng kotse, electric bike. Kasi 25 na electric vehicles, brand new. 25 units ng electric bike. 25 units ng iPhone. At 25,000 cash. And 25 na staycation sa White House sa Kamjanhi, Baguio.
And ito na lang, sir, sa 25 years ng Aficionado, bigay ka na lang, sir, ng best thing that happened.
Well, just keep on dreaming, because I also started with a dream, and I do believe na whatever your dream is, just aim for it. No, as long as you're so confident, you have your passion, you have your hard work with that, no, maka-attain mo rin kung ano man dream ang gusto ng tao. As you know, we started from very, very humble beginning. We started only with one store in the Philippines, but now it's more than 400 stores in the Philippines, yung mga kiosk, yung cards, and yung mga sinasabi ko kanina, mga distributions like groceries, 7-Eleven, Mercury Drugstore, TGP, yung mga yon, more than thousands yun eh, mga siguro more than 2,000. No? We also have dealership. Yung dealership, mga as low as 2,500 pesos, pwede ka na maging dealer. So yun, pwede ka magtinda kahit wala kang pwesto, wala kang upahan sa bahay mo, yung gano'n. Sama mo sa tindahan mo, pwede ka mag-distributor din. Kaya doon, we're talking of maybe 3,000 plus of distributors all over the Philippines. And yun nga, yung sinasabi ko kanina na we're looking at sa partnership namin sa kagaya ng Philasiatico dito sa Taiwan. It's all over the world naman. And for your information also, pag may nakita kayong Filipino store, saan man panig ng mundo, makikita nyo sigurado ang Aficionado doon. Like in Singapore, meron doon isang parang building, Lucky Plaza, yun, thank you. Yung Lucky Plaza kasi ang daming Filipino stores doon, lahat ng Filipino stores doon, nandun ang Aficionado sa Singapore, Lucky Plaza.
Sa Hong Kong naman yung worldwide.
Yeah, sa Hong Kong yung worldwide din, oo. Thank you kay Roy, no, kasi hindi ko na ma-memorize sa dami.
Binisita niyo na.
Yan.
Saka e-commerce.
E-commerce also. Thanks to Shopee, to Lazada, to TikTok. No? Kasi minsan mag-TikTok lang ako. In a matter of 2 hours, no, nakakagain ako ng 2 million pesos sa TikTok. Kaya, thank you sa TikTok also.
Congratulations.
Thank you also. Thank you.